Have you ever wondered how big companies manage their vast amounts of data, or how they transform the raw, unstructured data into meaningful insights? The secret lies in a powerful tool known as a data warehouse. Picture this: a colossal supermarket filled with aisles upon aisles of products, each item meticulously categorized and arranged for optimal accessibility. Now, replace those tangible goods with intangible data and you have a pretty good idea of what a data warehouse is. Essentially, a data warehouse is a large storage system where a company's digital data is collected, organized, and stored for analysis and reporting. Let's take the example of a global retail chain such as Walmart. Every day, Walmart stores across the world generate an enormous amount of data, from sales and customer preferences to inventory levels. All this data flows into Walmart's data warehouse, where it is cleaned, organized, and stored. But why go through all the trouble of building a data warehouse? The answer lies in the immense benefits it brings. Firstly, it enhances decision-making. By storing data from various sources in a single place, a data warehouse provides a comprehensive view of the business, thereby facilitating informed decision-making. For instance, Walmart's data warehouse can provide insights into which products are selling well, which aren't, and where inventory needs restocking, enabling the company to make strategic decisions accordingly. Secondly, a data warehouse improves data quality and consistency. It ensures that all data stored within it adheres to a certain standard, making it easier for businesses to use and understand their data. This means that Walmart, for instance, can trust the accuracy of the data it draws upon to make critical business decisions. Lastly, a data warehouse enhances data accessibility and retrieval. It organizes data in a way that's easy to understand and access, making it easier for businesses to extract the information they need. So when Walmart needs to analyze its sales data, it can easily retrieve it from the data warehouse. To recap, a data warehouse is a system where businesses store and organize their digital data. It's like a supermarket for data, where everything is neatly categorized and arranged. And just as a supermarket facilitates shopping, a data warehouse facilitates decision-making, improves data quality and consistency, and enhances data accessibility and retrieval. It's a powerful tool that enables businesses to transform their raw, unstructured data into meaningful insights, driving strategic decisions and ultimately success.